Sri Lankan sour fish curry. We call it Maalu, Ambul, Thiyal. This is an easy and a quick recipe. You can buy the ingredient for the recipe from Indian or Sri Lankan grocery stores. Let's see what we need. We need salt, pepper, chili powder, curry powder. This is the packet, curry powder. And we need Goraka. I use Goraka cream, or you can soak Goraka pieces in water until it's soft enough to grind. I used yellowfin tuna, but you can also use other fish types such as Bonito. In low flame, roast the curry powder until it's dark brown. After that, roast the chili powder again in low flame until it becomes little darker. Let's grind all the ingredients together. Salt, Goraka, pepper, roasted curry powder and roasted chili powder. Grind it with a little bit of water. Now it should look like this. Now the fish pieces are thoroughly washed and ready. Cut big pieces into little pieces. Add rest of the water to the mix. Then pour on top of the fish. Then we are going to soak fish pieces with the mix and then place carefully on the pot. Then add the remaining mix to the fish. Shake the pot a little bit and it's ready to cook. Cover with the lid and cook for 1 hour in low heat. Make sure to shake it every 10 to 15 minutes. After 1 hour, the water has evaporated and it looked like this.